Where is Samsung store?
Phone लेना phone.
Ah,
Rwanda.
kitna? How much?
Rwanda.
How much?
Rwanda.
200. India is not for beginners, guys. 200 like $1.05. Good morning from Jalanda, Punjab. Today's video, the mission is very simple. So we are going to look Samsung store. As you know, I'm the best fan of Samsungs, but today one of my friends want to see the latest version of Samsung to give to his parents. So that's why we are here. But it's very hot, you know. We are in front of Zudio, you know. Wow. Hey, what's up, my friend?
Yo, man.
What's the mission of today?
But the mission of today is shopping, bro. Shopping. Try for Samsung stores and Zudio shop store, man.
Alright, guys, we're gonna be looking for Samsung store around here. We don't know how it's gonna go. Maybe we're gonna take some photos, something like that. Hey, sir. Zaricha. Where is Samsung store? Samsung store.
Samsung store के अंदर.
Samsung store.
Samsung store.
Yeah. Kitna?
No. Phone लेना phone.
Ah.
Rwanda.
Kitna? How much?
Rwanda.
How much?
Rwanda.
200. Guys, 200. That's much money. India is not for beginners, guys. 200 is like $1.05. It's a lot, bro. Let's see. Samsung store over here. Gonna be going inside. We see if we can get Samsung S23 Ultra or Samsung Note 20. Let's see, guys. Wow. We are unable to get Samsung from this shop. They are telling us like to go to another side of this place. Maybe it's gonna be a lot and tough. How many kilometers from here to at that Samsung store nearby?
Maybe 5 and 10 minutes.
5 to 10 minutes? Can we take like an auto or
Yes, another store.
we're looking for Samsung S24 or S23? This used to be Samsung S23, but now they are not selling them. They are selling some TVs right here. It's crazy, bro. Very hectic, you know, to get like somewhere you can buy these to the next store, because what that we are looking for is somehow out of the store. Haji sir.
Hi guys.
Satrika.
Satrika.
Satrika ji. What's your name?
मनमोहन सिंह.
हाँ?
मनमोहन सिंह.
मेरा नाम प्लोस्पा. आपका नाम?
Hi Benedict.
हाँ?
Benedict.
Benedict. Guys, I found some good guys over here. They just wanted to greet me. They just wanted to talk to me. You know, it's something good. Where do you live?
मनमोहन सिंह.
Where do you live? Your place? Your home?
जलंधर.
Jalanda. Your home?
I am Jharkhand.
Chaikan.
Jharkhand.
You.
Punjab.
You are Punjabi?
Yes, Punjabi.
Wow, guys, here as we say, we are in Punjab. So most of the people that we see here, they are Punjabis. Turbans?
Oh, yeah.
नहीं है turbans? अच्छा, what is famous here? Famous
Famous is Jalandhar.
in Jalanda city?
Yes, Golden Temple.
Golden Temple.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I have visited Golden Temple in Amritsar. Wow, very common, famous.
Yes.
Anything else here? Like anything else here in Jalanda which is famous?
देवी तला मंदिर जैसे famous.
What is Deritala Mandi?
Nearby railway station. Just 3 kilometers around.
What does it have? Like Golden Temple, you go there to worship God.
Nearby Devi Talab.
Acha. Maybe they are not getting what I'm trying to ask, because I was asking that what is famous on, you know, that's the thing that I'm not getting. Shukriya ji.
Okay.
Alright,
Thank you
Shukriya.
so much.
Wow. So guys, I have to keep on moving. This looks like a kind of stopover. Man, it's crazy, man. The phones that we are looking are not the ones that we are getting. I don't know, man. Nahi hai moving. Aapka naam?
Pankaj.
Huh?
Pankaj.
Pankaj. This is Ottoman, guys. Wow, it's crazy. Let's go, guys. I found one of my favorite juice, man. It's called sugarcane juice. Look at the way they make sugarcane juice. Look at the system, guys. They put this is the sugarcane. They just enter like here, you know. Wow, man. I love this. So now, this is my time to try the so-called sugarcane juice, which is one of my favorites here in India. Wow, it tastes very amazing. You're gonna be seeing the way I'll be smiling after taking it, you know. You came to buy also sugarcane juice? You love sugarcane juice?
Yes.
Okay, why do you love sugarcane juice?
Sugarcane.
I love sugarcane juice. Wow, bro. It's crazy, you know. Oh, what's your name? You love sugarcane juice? Why do you love sugarcane juice?
English nahi. English nahi.
Oh, okay. Hindi tola tola. Alright. I got my juice over there. This is the way they give you your juice, you know. Wow.
Bro.
How is the taste of the
Bro,
juice?
this is my favorite drink in India, bro.
Alright. You love this juice?
My little is so
As you can
delicious.
see, we are tasting this in the streets, man.
Ah,
It's crazy, you know.
man.
My favorite one, you know. Wow.
This-
How comes you found out to know this juice, man?
Bro, I guess one of my friends is an Indian.
Ah.
He's the one who told me.
Who
bro,
told you to buy
yeah,
this
bro,
juice?
please taste. This is so good.
Amazing, you know.
Yeah.
Wow, man.
Bro, I never can drink beer.
Ah,
Yeah.
this is the thing that you like.
Ah, you see?
It looks a kind of smart, man, and the prices are low. You know the prices is
Man, only 20 rupees.
only 20
Yeah,
rupees.
20
20
rupees.
rupees, 240 rupees. When you count for 40 rupees, it will be
Yeah.
like around 8 cents,
Yeah,
more
8
less
cents.
than $1.
Yeah.
We decided to take an auto so that it can be easier for us, but the prices are always high in India. If you don't learn how to negotiate about the price, bro, imagine the guy can start telling you like $50 for less bread. Yeah,
Man, that's true, man. It's
Yeah.
like for 500.
it starts for $5, $10. When the real price is like $1 or less than $1, but the guy can start with, man, $50. Welcome to India. India is not for beginners, man. You know, this is the places, man. But the one thing that I love to India is that everything that you really get is up to the mark. Yeah. Wind is something else here, guys. Look at the traffic jam. We got a traffic jam. Hey, look at the wind. Wind is so much here. So much. My friend, here wind is a problem because you are not able to see in front. Man,
I can't see.
you can see?
I can't see.
It's crazy, you know? Wow. So this guy decided to change the load, man. Look at the people, they are close passing over different sides, man. Different sides because of the wind, man. Look at the people, look at the people. Look at the people. The people are hiding from the wind, man. Look at this person. The wind is a problem here, bro, I'm telling you. Jesus Christ, man. It's crazy, it's crazy. The mission to look for the phone is going to go badly. It's gonna be the mission to go home. It's so bad, man. It's so bad. Look at the wind. The wind is something else here. We are in one place that I can call it the richest neighborhood. This could be like the richest neighborhood of Jalandhar in Punjab. Yeah. People are covering their faces, man. Jesus Christ. This is one of the most tough experiences I've seen here in India. Look at the way people are hiding, man. Crazy. Crazy. People are struggling. Hey, my friend. How are you, my friend? Oh, yo. That's crazy, man. People here, they are friendly. I'm telling you, if you open up, you're gonna get more friends here in India. Just you need to be like chill guy.
Yeah, man, just be simple, man.
Just be simple.
Yeah.
Everything will be simple. People will be welcoming you once you are here in India. Wow, that's the thing that I've seen here in India. Be simple, India will accept you. Yeah. This is it. This is it, man. This is it. Look at the roads, man. They are now becoming dirty because of this wind, man. Wow, man. So we've been struggling to see if we can get this phone, but yeah, we made it. They gave us like a so-called an appointment for you to come like by tomorrow. So maybe the next video will be me getting the phone. Yeah, but I can say it was good experience exploring this Jalanda, specifically in Modotown. We can say we had a fun. This was a bit good, you know. Did you enjoy this trip, bro?
No man,
Ah.
I'm feeling tired, bro.
You're feeling tired? Only that?
Yeah.
But the rest was better.
Yeah, it was better, but we couldn't find what we wanted exactly.
Yeah, exactly what you wanted was not
Yeah.
there. But at least they told us to get it in another time, you know.
Man, you know, we were asking the phone, I said 2 lakhs. Bro, you know 2 lakhs, bro?
So I would say this is the end of my video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe my channel, hit that like button. We'll see you on my next vlog. Bye. It ends up raining, man. Look at me. Look at me. Man, it was crazy. Like right now it was sunny, very, very sunny. But imagine now it's something crazy, man. Our water is everywhere. Oh, India, you don't see. Wow, man, how are you feeling of the rain, man?
My bro, finally see my fucking shoot book, man.
Yes, man, it's crazy. Oh, man. Woo. So this is how we call the adventure. Adventure can drive you everywhere. You know? Yeah, that is. Let's see. Wow.